Oh, hi. Are you doing this a lot in your business meetings?
No rain.
This is Naren, Conquering Communication with you all. I've been to some business meetings lately and people have been doing this a lot while presenting, looking at the top corner of their eye. You know what impression this gives out to the audience? That you've not done your homework very well and you're not prepared well for the meeting because you're having to dig deep into your memory a lot. I'm not saying that doing this once or twice is a problem, but when it happens continuously, that's the impression that goes forward. A couple things you could do to solve this problem when you have to dig deep into your memory during a meeting is number one, have a few points in the presentation for your own reference, not necessarily to show the audience. You can just have that bullet point for your reference. Number two, it's okay to have a chit and a piece of paper with some points written so that you remember, and it comes across better when you take that chit, look at it and say something rather than you trying to dig deep into your memory and multiple times looking at the corner of your eye during the meeting is happening. I hope this tip and advice helps you. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.